Hello everybody, this is Jacob on Nexus. I am here at 10 Kent Street, Unit 3, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit featuring fresh paint, central heat, and much more. So we're going to start our walkthrough here right in the kitchen area that you have. Pretty spacious, houses a gorgeous, newer laminate wood flooring throughout. It is connected to the living area, houses both bedrooms, also houses a rear entryway to the unit too. On top of that, it does house your in-unit laundry hooked up right next to the sink area. Plenty of kitchen cabinets down below and above, including these large ones up above. And the kitchen appliances, of course, include the dual bin stainless steel sink. You also have the 4-burner glass top stove and oven. And you have the large size refrigerator right next to an additional pantry closet right next to it. Awesome. So that's basically your kitchen space. All in all, pretty wide open. So now we'll go ahead and flip around and check out the living area that you have. So living area and bedrooms all house a hardwood flooring. Living space houses, of course, the front entryway to your unit. Good amount of outlets for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. Some wide open windows, give you some good street views and plenty of sunshine into the room. And basically, it's just got a nice wide open layout, so you got plenty of opportunity for any kind of furniture setups you like to have in here. Okay. Next, let's check out the first of 2 bedrooms. We'll check out the bedroom to the left side. So this is the left side bedroom. Pretty wide open, lots of space for, honestly, queen bed set. Should be able to fit just fine in here. So standard full queen bed set is perfect for this. Fresh paint, hardwoods. Bright lighting with these windows. You do have your own closet space in the corner too. Very nice. And that's basically your first bedroom here. Next, we'll go ahead and check out the bedroom to the right. This is the smaller of 2 bedrooms, but I would probably say, again, you could swing with a queen bed set in here. So same as the first bedroom, standard full or queen bed sets are perfect. Again, wide open windows, fresh paint, hardwoods, and your own closet space. All the same features you saw in the first one applied to this bedroom as well. Fantastic. All right. Last but not least is the bathroom. Bathroom is housed, of course, in the kitchen area. Again, you got a new laminate wood flooring. Looks gorgeous. Very well put in. Got the full tub over here hooked up and ready to go right at the end. And immediately to your right side, you got the sink area, spacious cabinet underneath, and the small mirror vanity up above. Cool. So once again, this is 10 Kent Street, Unit 3 in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.